In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com fast and easy. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or collaborating with your team, understanding how to utilize Monday.com's boards is essential. Let's dive in and simplify the process of creating a new board to get you started quickly and efficiently. First, we'll begin by locating the toolbar on your Monday.com interface. On the left sidebar, you'll find the ever-helpful plus Add button. Keep an eye out for it as it's going to be your starting point for adding new components, including boards. Once you've found it, simply click the plus Add button. This action initiates the process of creating a new board, which serves as your project hub, where all your tasks and workflows will be organized. Next, after clicking the plus Add button, you'll see several options appear. From this list, you'll want to select New Board. By selecting this option, you're essentially opting to create a fresh slate that you can customize to suit your specific project needs. This step is crucial as it determines the feature you'll be using to streamline your activities and visualize your progress. The third step involves giving your new board an identity by choosing a name. A clear and concise name is vital as it helps everyone in your team quickly understand the board's purpose. You'll also see options to configure the board's settings: private, shareable, or main. A private board is only visible to those you invite, ideal for sensitive projects or tasks. A shareable board can be shared with people outside your organization, perfect for collaborating with clients or external partners. Lastly, a main board is visible to anyone in your workspace. These settings are essential depending on how open or closed you want your board to be. Lastly, to bring everything together, click on the Create Board button. With this final click, your board comes to life, ready for you to start populating it with tasks, timelines, and team assignments. This simple action confirms all your selections and gets your new board up and running, allowing you to immediately begin building and customizing your workflows. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward guide to creating a new board in Monday.com. Remember, the key to using all the functionality that Monday.com offers is knowing how to set up your boards effectively. As you grow more comfortable, don't hesitate to explore the wide range of features Monday.com provides. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your planning and project management efforts on Monday.com.